I want to see you eating. What are you eating? An orange? What? You don't want it? Why not? Why don't you want it? What do you have over there? A peel? Show me the peel. Avia, turn around and show me the peel. You have peels?
Yeah.
What are the peels from? The clementine? You peeled it by yourself? Wow. Who's such a big girl? Who's a big girl? What's your name? Avi? What's your name? Avia what? Zil? What are you doing with the peels now? In the toilet? Why? Don't put it in the toilet. Put it in the garbage. Gonna throw the peels in the garbage?